How old is her cousin?
Uh, their age. It was
I
the
thought you
her.
said he was older.
I don't think he's older now. Actually, I think he's younger.
No, I'm pretty sure she said he was older.
Do what?
Pretty sure she said he was older.
No, I don't know. I think you might be wrong about that. I gotta figure out how to get Augie signed up for baseball. The Bluffville Little League reopened, just at a different location.
Yeah, the haircut people got one of that.
How many more cans do we have left to put in? Do y'all know? Are these JJ's? I'm so confused at this point. Tonight's not been it. We were on JJ's can. I'm so confused. Yes, taste it for 4. Period. Thank you. Durr. Okay, that's exactly. I had cans sitting in front of me. I was like, what happened there? Yes, those were Tays. Duh. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. All right, so we have. Babe, I need your help real quick, please. Will you have me 2 more cans from over there? And then I guess that we're gonna cut the line off, you guys. Hey Taylor, how are you, boo? And I'm gonna clean up and try to get some rest for tomorrow. I need a shower. I knew I shouldn't have stayed up again, but I think I'll be okay because I'm not sleep deprived. You set it down, babe. You set it down. Thank you.
Yeah, I know it's 12:02.
I know.
Lily ain't doing too good.
Nope, I'm not gonna be able to do night lives. I'm gonna have to give her my full attention. I'm gonna have to really get onto her and try to keep her in the right path direction.
You know what you gotta do.
Okay, Dusty, I don't want to talk about this on live.
I didn't say anything.
But I don't want to talk about it.
You know what you gotta do. I didn't say anything besides that.
I know I'm excited too, Kayla. So excited. This ain't big enough for my hands for bombs. Yeah, Dusty's his real name. Yes, ma'am. No, that's his dog name. What's wrong? Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Yes, I'm coming. Ow, my hips popping and shit.
Don't hurt as bad as it sounds. I promise you that.
You got class in the morning. What you got class for?
The rack on that thing just freaks you out.
What are you talking about?
Wouldn't you want to know?
I don't care, honestly. Now I quit being curious about what you do and what you talk about because you don't listen to me. Oh, gotcha. Have fun with that. That's going to be boring. I need to get more back into TV shows and stuff and like actually being a wholesome person. I stay on live a lot lately. Shut up, Dusty. And when I'm not, I'm with my kids, so.
No, you're with all.
Yeah, because Lily just segregates herself.
I bet it'd be 12:30 before Lily comes down here.
She ain't coming down here. What are you talking about?
Would she take the melatonin into her room?
No, she already took it. What do you mean, green bean? Are you serious, green bean? Are you serious? Are you okay? Be careful who you tell your business out to, too. Are you okay? Oh, shit. Has he told you about that at all or no? And normally if they don't tell you, there's a reason why they're not telling you. If it's innocent, they'll tell you what's going on. Matt didn't text him, Sarah did. Did he have the name saved as a fake number name? Oh, shit. But did he lie? Has he been lying to you about who he's been getting a ride from? Or, like, has he told a lie about it or anything? Oh my God. I'm sorry, Green Bean. What the fuck? Men are dogs. I'm sorry. Men are dogs. Are you really? I know it's going to be a big, hard transition for you, but you do deserve better. And it makes me mad for you with him because, like, just saying hey to him earlier, it makes me regret it. I'm so sorry, girl. That is, I know that's very hurtful. This is why I never go through his phone. My gut told me to look. Yeah, you can always tell in a slight difference of an attitude or the way they talk or how they act towards you or how defensive they are. Yeah, I can about tell too. Thank you. Yep, it was his guilty conscience. I'm sorry, boo. Where's he at now? Does he know that you know now? Oh, can he hear me? Does he know you're leaving? Did you show your ass? Like, oh my God. I'm sorry you're going through that. Yeah, exactly, Lamb. That's awful. Do you have a place to go? All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and clean up.
Damn, I remember when I was 17. I was hungry.
What?
When I was 17, I had my own place.
3 strikes you out, girl. You're better than me. For real. Does anybody want to send for a fake rinse? Green Bean, you know I got your back, boo. And if you need me, let me know. Oh, no. It depends on what you want, Brittany. We could do a fake rinse with some fabric laundry soap. It's $8. We could do 1 or 2 of them. That would be yummy. Does somebody want to match? It's 8 and 8. And I'll save it. Yeah, it went in first. Did you not see it? I'm sorry. A fabric softener. We could add water